Namaskara Bangalore. My name is Danis and you're watching Legacy Smart Space. Today I'm going to discuss biggest township property spanning in 300 acres of land parcels by Embassy Group in North Bangalore near airport. This video is very important for those investors who were looking for investments under 1 CR 2 BHK but don't know where exactly to invest and how much return they can expect. Believe me, I have options. After watching this video, you will definitely place the EOI. हमें कई सारे इन्वेस्टर ने कहा दानिश आई वांट्स टू इन्वेस्ट बट द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट आई हैव 1 CR ऑफ बजट्स एंड लुकिंग फॉर 2 BHK but getting a B category builder. Not happy to go ahead with the booking and all. I told them sir कि in the North Bangalore the price is going around 1.3 CR to 4 CR for 2 BHK and the unit is not available. इसी रिक्वायरमेंट को फुलफिल करने के लिए एम्बेसी लेके आ रही है एम्बेसी वर्दे 2.0. Why you should invest in Embassy 2.0 upcoming? Why? Because here we are getting brand value. At the time of resales, you can easily exit from the property after earning a huge profit. 300 acres biggest township property, 200 acre is dedicated for the villas communities. Apartment is in 100 acres only. It's a low density property. Excellent connectivity to airport, SCRR road, and the airport road is just 7 minutes of drive distance, and the Prestige Tech Cloud Park, which is already operational, is just 5 minutes of drive distance, and the KITB phase 2 is in Devanahalli, is just 15 minutes of drive distance. Not only that, behind this Embassy township property, Embassy Knowledge Park is coming just like a Manyata Tech Park. Here is one catch. Why developer is offering a very less price compared to other developer surrounding this property? Why? Because Embassy ने 300 acres land parcels काफ़ी पहले लिया था, जिसकी वजह से उनको land acquisition में costing कम पड़ी थी compared to other developers. Why to submit the EOI? As soon as you will submit the EOI, the priority number will be generated. On the basis of the priority, you will get first preference to come and select the units as per your own choice, which floor you want, which facing you want. The challenge is that unit is moving very fast at the time of soft allocations. The second benefit is pricing. You can avail the pre-launch price at the time of soft allocations because as per the developer's strategies and plan, they revise the price after soft allocations finished. So why you will pay extra? My question is to you. The best part is that the pricing you are getting a very good pricing compared to the micro markets. Now you can check the pricing list is here in advance. We have already received the RERA and now planning to launch second week of January next year. If you want more clarity about this township property for investments, if you have any doubts, please feel free to call in this given numbers or you can WhatsApp me. I will personally share you the brochures, floor plans, all the details because we have received the RERA. Schedule your site visits. You can call me. I will personally available at site to assist you. Will give you the entire tour of this property. Or if you are occupied, not getting time, I will schedule a Zoom meeting with you. I will give my best to give you a best pricings and help you to get a most demandable units. Please call in this given numbers. Thank you so much.